The belly and the other members is a renowned fable attributed to Aesop, the ancient Greek storyteller. This timeless tale recounts the story of various body parts rebelling against the belly, which they perceive as idle and gluttonous, consuming all the food while they toil tirelessly. The plot of this fable unfolds with a dramatic turn of events. The different members of the body, including the hands, mouth, and teeth, decide to take drastic action. They declare a strike, determined to teach the belly a lesson it won't soon forget. The hands adamantly refuse to lift any food, the mouth stubbornly declines to accept nourishment, and the teeth steadfastly refuse to chew. Their plan seems foolproof at first, a surefire way to put the lazy belly in its place. However, as the strike progresses, an unexpected consequence emerges. The entire body, including the rebellious members themselves, begins to weaken and starve. The hands lose their strength, the mouth becomes parched, and the teeth ache with disuse. As their condition deteriorates, a startling realization dawns upon them. The belly, contrary to their initial assumptions, plays a crucial role in their collective well-being. It is not merely a passive consumer but an essential component in the body's intricate system of nourishment. The rebelling members soon discover that the belly's function extends far beyond mere consumption. It diligently digests the food, breaking it down into nutrients that are then distributed throughout the body. This process ensures that every part, from the tiniest cell to the largest organ, receives the sustenance it needs to function properly. The belly, in its own unique way, serves as the body's central distribution center, working tirelessly to keep the entire system running smoothly. As the fable reaches its climax, the body parts are forced to confront the error of their ways. They realize that their hasty judgment and rash actions have led them to the brink of collapse. The hands, once strong and capable, now tremble with weakness. The mouth, previously vocal in its complaints, can barely muster a whisper. The teeth, once sharp and ready to chew, now ache with hunger. The entire body, once a well-oiled machine, now teeters on the edge of failure. In this moment of crisis, the moral of the story becomes crystal clear. The fable teaches us about the paramount importance of cooperation and the necessity of recognizing the value of each individual's contribution to the whole. It serves as a powerful reminder that every part of a community or organization, no matter how seemingly insignificant, plays a vital role in the overall functioning of the system. This lesson extends far beyond the realm of biology. It applies to families, communities, businesses, and even entire nations. Just as each body part has its unique function, every member of a group brings their own set of skills, experiences, and perspectives to the table. What may appear as laziness or inefficiency from one perspective might be an essential process when viewed from a broader angle. The fable underscores the fact that working together is not just beneficial, but essential for the well-being and survival of the entire group. It challenges us to look beyond surface-level judgments and appreciate the intricate interdependencies that exist within any system. The hands may do the visible work of lifting and carrying, but without the belly's unseen labor of digestion and distribution, their efforts would be in vain. Moreover, the belly and the other members has found resonance in various political contexts throughout history, demonstrating its enduring relevance and adaptability. As early as the 5th century BCE, this simple tale was wielded as a powerful political tool. The Roman historian Livy recounts how a clever senator employed the fable to persuade the plebeians who had seceded from Rome in protest to return to the city. In this political interpretation, the patricians were likened to the belly, while the plebeians were represented as the other members of the body. The senator argued that just as the belly nourishes the entire body, the ruling class, in its own way, serves the entire society. This analogy sought to illustrate the complex interdependencies within the Roman social structure, emphasizing that each class, despite apparent differences in function and privilege, played a crucial role in maintaining the health of the state. The fable's versatility as a metaphor for social and political structures didn't end with ancient Rome. Throughout history, it has been adapted and reinterpreted to suit various contexts and arguments. For instance, Paul of Tarsus, in his first letter to the Corinthians, drew upon a similar metaphor of the body to describe the Christian church. He used this imagery to emphasize the diverse yet equally important roles of its members, echoing the fable's message of unity and diversity. In medieval France, the tale found new life as an illustration of feudal obligations. It was used to explain and justify the mutual responsibilities between a lord and his subjects. The lord, like the belly, might seem to consume more than his fair share, but his role in providing protection and maintaining order was presented as essential for the well-being of the entire feudal system. These historical and political interpretations highlight the fable's enduring power as a tool for understanding and explaining complex social structures. It provides a simple, relatable framework for discussing issues of cooperation, interdependence, and the often invisible but crucial roles played by different parts of a system. As we reflect on the belly and the other members, we're reminded of the timeless wisdom encapsulated in this ancient tale. It challenges us to look beyond surface-level judgments and appreciate the intricate web of relationships that sustain our communities and organizations. In a world that often emphasizes individual achievement, this fable stands as a powerful reminder of the strength that comes from unity and mutual support. Whether we're part of a family, a workplace, or a larger society, we all have a role to play. Like the various parts of the body, we may not always see or understand the contributions of others, but that doesn't diminish their importance. The fable encourages us to approach our relationships and communities with empathy, understanding, and a willingness to cooperate for the greater good. In conclusion, the belly and the other members continues to resonate across centuries and cultures because it speaks to a fundamental truth about human society. We are all interconnected, each playing a vital role in the larger whole. By recognizing and valuing these connections, we can build stronger, more resilient communities capable of weathering any storm. The fable's enduring message of unity, cooperation, and mutual respect remains as relevant today as it was in Aesop's time, offering timeless guidance for navigating the complexities of human relationships and social structures.